Hey brothers, peace be upon you all. Today we are going to create text-to-speech application. As you see here, I'm going to write a text in that edit text, and when I click the speak button, the text will changing into speech.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create an application that changing text to speech as you see now. So please don't miss to subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. And now let's create the application. Open Sketchware, and if you don't have Sketchware, download it from the link in the description below.
So my friends, when you open Sketchware, you will be to create a new project and name that project. Also, you will be to choose an icon for your app. After that, I'm editing the colors in my app, and to see their details you can click that blue question mark. When you click Create App, the dashboard of your app will appearing, so you will be to edit it. First, drag and drop linear H in your app, and make his height match parent. Also make the padding 0. And change the orientation into vertical. And make the background color white. After that, put another linear H in your app, and make the gravity of the previous linear in the center. Put another linear H in the app. And then, drag edit text and put it in the upper linear. And don't miss to make its width match parent. Make the text size of the edit text 20 sp. And then write your own hint in the edit text hint. Put a new button in the lower linear. Also, put a new linear beside the button, and make its width wrap content. Also, drag and drop another button in the same place. And then do this after me. When you finish that, we will creating a new component known as text-to-speech. Name it whatever you want. On create, put these blocks. Make sure to choose the commands correctly. Fill all the white spaces by these numbers. Also choose the stroke color and the background color. Finally, make the maximum lines of edit text equals 4. And then go back to the dashboard. On the person, click the Speak button. Put this block and set the speech edit text get text. Also, when stop speak button is clicked, put the stopping block. Now we finished the work. So, let's run the app. Click Install button. And now, let us see if the app is working.
Hello.
Yes, the app is working good.
How are you?
Do you hear that? It is amazing.
That's the app, so please subscribe to my channel and share the video thumbs up sign.
Hey friends, tell us in the comment below if this video was good or not. Goodbye.